Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the 8 must-have gadgets for everyday use. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 8, Heat Shrink Sleeve. This versatile 110-meter heat shrink braided cable sleeve is an essential tool for anyone dealing with electronics or cable organization. Made of high-quality, flame-retardant PET material, it provides excellent insulation and protection for your cables. The sleeve comes in sizes ranging from 6mm to 12mm, ensuring a snug fit for various cable diameters. It's perfect for auto line organization, wire wrap, and sheath protection, keeping your setup clean and safe. Number 7. Waterproof Swim Bag. Say goodbye to the fear of water damage with this floating airbag waterproof swim bag phone case. Designed for devices like the iPhone 11, 12, 13 Pro Max, and Samsung Galaxy models. Number 6. Water Bottle Holder. The kettle-hanging buckle carabiner is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. Crafted from environmentally friendly silicone, this compact tool measures just 55 by 37 millimeters, making it easy to carry during hikes, camping trips, or climbing adventures. Its durable design securely holds your water bottle, ensuring easy access when you're on the move. Available in classic black and dark blue, it's as stylish as it is practical. Number 5. Fishing Reel. The Surinoya double spool spinning fishing reel is a game changer for anglers. Its high-strength gears and durable main body ensure reliability during both freshwater and saltwater fishing. Equipped with 2 bevel spools, it reduces line-releasing resistance for longer casts. The smooth winding experience, combined with carbon fiber drag washers for wear resistance, makes it a standout choice. Its stainless steel bearings and screw-in handle system provide exceptional smoothness and reduce shaking, giving you precise control during your fishing trips. Number 4. Mini Folding Knife. This mini folding knife is your go-to tool for everyday tasks. Its stainless steel blade is perfect for cutting through parcels, opening letters, or slicing tape. Designed to fit on a keychain, it's incredibly portable and convenient. Despite its compact size, this knife is built for durability and practicality, making it an essential addition to your toolkit. Number 3. Fishing Tackle Bag. Organize all your fishing gear with the Linhue Fishing Tackle Waterproof Bag. This outdoor waste fanny pack offers ample storage for lures, lines, and other accessories. Its versatile design allows you to wear it as a crossbody bag, ensuring convenience and accessibility. Crafted for durability, this bag is waterproof and ideal for keeping your items safe during fishing trips. Number 2. Sonic Electric Toothbrush. The Sucas Sonic Electric Toothbrush delivers an unparalleled brushing experience. Featuring magnetic levitation acoustic motor technology, it effectively removes stains and whitens teeth. With 2 brush head options, super soft for sensitive teeth and air bright white for deeper cleaning, it caters to all your oral care needs. This toothbrush boasts an impressive 180-day battery life and an IPX8 waterproof rating, making it as reliable as it is efficient. Plus, it operates at a quiet 37.8 dB, ensuring a peaceful morning routine. Number 1. Rotating Blade Cutter. The 360 Steel Rotating Blade DIY art cutting tool is a revolutionary tool for craft enthusiasts. With a 360-degree rotating blade, it enables precise cutting of intricate shapes on paper, vinyl, and other materials. Unlike traditional cutters, this blade is designed to minimize accidental cuts, making it safe for use even by younger hobbyists under supervision. Perfect for model making, scrapbooking, and graphic design, this tool comes with 3 replaceable blades for long-term use. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.